Hello today. So I made a mistake. I bought a new computer and wanted to install OBS to start recording my recent videos in the excitement. When I tried to open my videos in HitFilm software where I edited my videos, the HitFilm didn't support the file type. Before we start, I was hoping you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to avoid missing the new videos I release every week. To change the video's file type, we need to go back to OBS and in File and then Remux Recordings. We then select the video that we want to convert from MKV to MP4 and we enter the name and place where we want to export the new video. We can change the file type when recording in OBS, but OBS doesn't recommend that solution. Rather, remux the video after recording. We can now test the new video in HitFilm and we see that the application supports it. That was all in this video. I hope to see you in the next video.